And now,
today's challenge is a food taboo challenge.
This is a bit too sticky. Oh God.
शेफ के पास सिर्फ 2 मिनट होंगे to guess all the taboo words from the clue giver.
It reminds you of something dirty.
उसके बाद मुझे मेरा कैमरा और ऑडियो ऑफ करना पड़ेगा. शेफ के पास होगा सिर्फ 1 घंटा to make the perfect dessert.
1 hour? मतलब मैं मास्टर शेफ पे हूँ क्या?
Oops. Oh my God.
आप master chef पे हो. You're on gobble.
So guys, do you really think I'm going to be able to do it in under 60 minutes?
Okay, Priyanka, we have only 2 minutes. Let's get started. Are you ready?
Yes.
It has a projection over its head. It also comes in Harry Potter. It's mystical.
Are you talking about a unicorn?
Yes. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Let's go. When I have to wear a coat and use an umbrella.
Rain?
Yeah. What else happens?
Rainbow.
Yes. This word is something that's popular. A milkshake.
Strawberry milkshake.
Strawberry is the word.
Oh, strawberry. Okay.
It reminds you of something dirty. It's something that splits. Like something split is very famous of this thing.
A medicine?
Known for its split.
Banana split. Banana.
The next one is when it's someone's special day, you get it. You can put different designs on. Time's up.
I lost her there. Okay, so let me go through what all we discussed. So let me do frosting for the cake. Let's stick to white. I'll definitely do a unicorn top-up. Yeah, wings will be really nice. Let's do a rainbow and an inverted cone will be so good. So let's get baking. Okay, the sponge first. So let me beat the butter and sugar. Butter is the flavor. Eggs, one at a time. Jaldi. किसी ने बनाया कभी मैदा के बिना केक जो अच्छा केक हो? ऐसे तो लोग हर एक चीज से केक बनाते हैं. Now the main flavor, strawberry and banana. Here we come, unicorns.
This like almost feels like a jail where I'm not able to communicate with her.
तो ये केक इतना easy है. Okay, this is done. Sprinkles the confetti. And now this goes in the oven. अब बारी है buttercream की. And butter के लिए of course butter लगेगा, right? And अब मैं इसमें डाल रही हूँ white icing sugar. Some people add milk to it. My secret to this is using really hot water, spoonful at a time. And I'm going to distribute this one into 6 equal parts. तो रेनबो में विप ग्योर होता है, बट ऑफ कोर्स हम सारे कलर्स नहीं डालेंगे क्योंकि कुछ इंडिगो टाइप ऑफ कलर्स बटर क्रीम में नहीं बन सकते हैं. ये मैंने डाला ऑरेंज, ग्रीन, वायलेट. मेरे को वायलेट का हिंदी वर्ड नहीं पता. वायलेट का हिंदी वर्ड आपको पता है क्या? ब्लू, येलो, डर्टी फेलो एंड द रेड. अब मैं डालूंगी इनको पाइपिंग बैग्स में. सबसे पहले मैं बना रही हूँ रेनबो. एंड ऑफ कोर्स बनाने के लिए आई एम गोना बी यूजिंग फॉन्डेंट.
Wow.
For the shape I'm taking this, so I'm going to be making around this. It's like working with clay. मैं इसको about 10 minutes के लिए oven में डाल दूंगी at about 80 degrees. और उससे ये बहुत जल्दी rock hard हो जाएगा. Okay, so I've stuck these things together. Take a ruler so that both the bottoms are aligned and cut here together. And ultimately, this is going to be standing on the cake. So how is it going to stand? This thing's called floral wires. If you have this, you can use this. If not, toothpicks use karo. Just insert them into this and that does the work. Now for the clouds, I'm taking white fondant for that. I've got to knead it. So guys, do you really think I'm going to be able to do it in under 60 minutes? I think I can, yeah. Okay, this is a bit too sticky. Oh God, I think I'm under a lot of pressure. So fondant can sense that. So I just put some corn flour on the mat so that it doesn't stick. Now, assembly of the cake. क्योंकि मैं इसके सेंटर में भी फिलिंग कर रही हूँ, एक लेयर का सेंटर से just doing a hollow. Take a little bit of buttercream. Smear it this. Otherwise what happens is your cake is not going to stick to the board. Just spread it a bit. Base layer on top of this. Now for my syrup, I'm using Sprite or you can use a sugar syrup.
She's got everything else on point. I love that.
Yellow's such a happy color, right? I I've got to first fill this thing up so that when you cut the cake, you've got all these sprinkles oozing out of this. And I just place it on top of this. And now I'm going to cover the sides. This one's going to be so pretty, so much color on the inside, and in under an hour, wow. Okay, so I've slapped on the buttercream onto this. So I'm going to start airbrushing. ऊपर से नीचे जाऊंगी मैं because I want to give a gradient of color. And airbrush से सब कुछ कितना fast हो जाता है. Cool. So this is done. I bring the board here. Okay, there on the main board. Let's get assembling. Okay, the very first thing that I'm going to put on this are the wings. We had made the rainbow and clouds in fondant. Oops, oh my god.
That rainbow broke.
Okay, let's just make it work. No time, Priyanka. Let me just place it as it is. Or maybe I'm gonna move it from there and just have it here next to the cake. And finally, the unicorn. And there, I'm done.
Wow.
Am I under 60 minutes?
Wow. That looks amazing. Do you think you'll be able to make it?
I have never done a cake in 60 minutes.
Ayushi, is this what you have in your mind?
So I'll tell you, I had a cupcake in mind.
Oh! In my head, I'm like, cake hi to ho sakta hai, frosting. Cupcake.
Unicorns and rainbows check. You almost got everything right. Like, just cupcakes hota to perfect hota, but this is crazy.
Always being over the top. Okay, so the moment of truth.
I think I'm taking a virtually like a big bite, like a huge bite of the cake right now.
Wow, that's okay. I'm going to taste this little piece.
Dude, don't do this to me, dude. It looks so good.
You're really missing out on something. And here, it's got this beautiful sprinkles in the center.
It's so good. This is so not fair. Oh my god. Hey guys, if you like this video,
If you have an appetite for more such experiences, keep watching Gobble.